Hey everybody, it's Cynthia Maynard. Thanks so much for joining me today at my channel. Little project share for you. It is so super simple to make. It's like a pocket within a pocket within a pocket, which is a fun kind of concept that I was playing around with. So this is cardstock, as you can see here, and I've layered it just a 1/4 of an inch smaller with some Maggie Holmes paper, and it is 6 by 8.5. So really you just take an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper and cut it down to 6 and you will have yourself this, and then you can mat it. And then I just made a pocket that is about 4.5, and then you'd add a 1/2 inch or 1/4 inch on each side to fold in some tabs and then glue along the bottom. It is about 3 inches deep. And that just gives us the ability to stuff some goodies in there. So let me show you what that looks like sans goodies. Okay, so I've got some sequins on there, a beautiful flower, just kept it simple like that. So what did I put in there? So I put some other things that I'll show you in a second, but this is the concept of the pocket, the tag with a pocket, and then the tag. So it's kind of fun. So inside the pocket is this fun tag. I love this shape. This is a Daisy May Designs nested tags, and you can probably see it better on this side. It's got these stitched, and it has these sort of rough edges cut out of it to make it look distressed and fun. So something different there, and that comes in a set of nesting dies. So that's Daisy May Designs, and I stuck a pocket on top of that of a one that I got from this Die Cutting Essentials album magazine, and but you can make your own very easily and just tuck the corners in and glue it down. And that is holding some scrap pieces of paper that I cut with this punch that some of you've got. It makes these 3 different sizes depending on how wide your paper is. And I just made some out of some extra paper and put some fun fur there and whatnot. So fun tags within a tag within a pocket. So I liked that concept. And it had extra room, so I went ahead and stuffed it with more goodies. This is, I believe this is still available in the shop. I put in die cuts to make a little basket. You just simply glue them together. You fold them in and then you glue them like that and then fold it up and assemble it. So I tucked that in there. I have a double-sided Maggie Holmes paper that I used a Fun Stamper's Journey die on that has this cute little scallop. You can punch a hole in there if you want, or you can just glue this to an album and have that in there. I love that, those designs together. And then I made a treat bag. Some of you have seen my video on my channel about super easy way to make treat envelopes, folding them in and whatnot. I can't think of the title, but it's in there. And I just used some decorative scissors to make the little toothy edges there out of some fun wood panel paper, and stuck that Willow Lane kitty that we all like on there, and then somebody could stick some treats in there and nice usable space there. So I thought I would share that with you. If you want to see a tutorial on that, let me know in the comments below. And I just thought maybe that would inspire you to make something similar to that. It's a quick and easy way. It's nice and flat and light, so it's great for mailing. You'd only have to pay like first-class shipping. So yeah, I thought I'd share that with you. Thanks guys so much for joining me today. Have a great day.